Hey everybody, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get you approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 in cash. Today, just in, we got a 2011 GMC Yukon Denali edition. Denali's the highest level trim package they make on a Yukon. This one's got the fog lights and the tow hooks in the front. It's got great tread on all the tires. As you can see there, they're sitting on chrome alloys. Those are going to be 20-inch rims. You got a nice fixed running board with chrome accenting. In the back, in the bumper there, you got backup radar sensors. That cover in the middle is covering a tow hitch. And then you've also got a backup camera. In addition, there's also a power lift gate. So you just press the little button. It'll open it all automatically for you. You got a little bit of room in the back there, including a little charging port if you want a little cooler or something. When you're done, just press the little button and it'll close it automatically for you. Up top, we got a luggage rack. Again, all the tires have good tread on them. Inside, we've got a lot of options. We've got a tan interior with some wood grain trimmings. Of course, our standard power locks and power windows and power mirrors, but we've also got folding mirrors, heated seats, air-conditioned seats, and memory seats. Here we've got our automatic and fog lights. The seats are tan leather, power, forward, back, up, down, and lumbar. In the steering wheel, you've got a heated steering wheel here, and of course your Bluetooth and cruise control. Go ahead and start it up. In the middle here, you got plenty of storage with a little USB and 12-volt charging port. Over here, you got navigation built in, CD player, dual air control, power pedals down there. Cup holders are hidden in there. Dash is in overall good shape. It's got 165,000 miles on it. Rear, we got rear captain's chairs, huge DVD screen. Rear captain's chairs are heated. We've got a third row in the back with 3 seat belts, making it a 7-passenger SUV. Got some headphones there for the DVD player. Passenger side, we got that wood grain again, air conditioned and heated seats. It's got the owner's manual, looks like a remote for the TV. Love to get you approved on this vehicle. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out that application where it says apply now, and we'll get you approved on it. Remember, trust the duck.